Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a cool intro text video on CapCut. So first, you just need to start by importing a text photo like this with a black background to CapCut, and then just click on it and adjust the durations into your liking. And after that, you need to go to mask, then select the frame strip options, and in here rotate the masking diagonally like this and adjust the angle or the measurement into your liking like this, and then drag the arrow a bit. Okay, now click on the before you click on the check icon, you need to bring the masking to the left or to the beginning of the word. So I'm going to start here, then just click on the check icon and then add a keyframe at the start and also at the end. So now here at the second keyframe, you need to go to mask again and then drag the masking to the bottom right corner like this. Okay, click on the check icon and you are done, and the final result will go like this. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial from me, but I hope this will be helpful. So if you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.